What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on ATER ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, during last couple of sessions, this asset from its lowest point went higher for more than 100%. Massive movement to the upside, and as you can see, this asset has a decent increase in volume compared to previous one, and this means we might see the trend continuation if this volume remains relatively the same. And I have to say that I made my previous video right here. Let me show you more thoroughly. At this point, and I've told you that we can accumulate the position all the way down to the golden pocket, but the stop loss should be slightly below this range. And if we would break this previous bottom, definitely it was a sign that we might go lower. And from this level, we went lower for more than 70%, and definitely it is a huge movement to the downside. And as you can see, this asset respects very good these ranges of supports and resistances. It hit this range and bounced back, then it hit this range of resistance and went lower. And right here, as you can see, I marked this range of $5.45 as a pivot point from the bottom of the second wave. This means when we break this range, definitely it was a sign that this movement to the upside wasn't a motive wave. And as you can see, this asset found the previous swing low right here as the range of support, and it worked perfectly well. As you can see, we bounced from this range a couple of times, then retested this range as a resistance and went lower. And right here we also have this touch of resistance, went lower again. And what should we expect next? I have to say that this momentum might continue, but we have to be very cautious. And I will show you in my technical analysis what you should do in order to benefit from this price action. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news, and let's start with the company profile. Aterian Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, operates as a technology-enabled consumer products company in North America and internationally. The company provides artificial intelligence marketplace e-commerce engine, a software technology platform which uses machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics to design, develop, market, and sell products. And I have to say that it is quite a small company. It has a total market cap of $139.77 million. They have a cash position of roughly $30.32 million with a total debt of $40.42 million. So let's continue with their latest news. We have two most recent ones. One of them was published on March the 8th, and it was their fourth quarter and full year 2021 earnings results. And let me show you it in details. I have to say that they improve their position, slightly improve their position. As I already mentioned, they have $30.3 million cash on hand with a fourth quarter net loss of $5.3 million. Definitely they have enough money to operate, and I have to say that they improved their fourth quarter net revenue, and they improved their margin. And from the fundamental standpoint, I have to say that this company looks decent on a quarterly basis, but on a full year results, it is not the best company. And let me show you their latest news. On April the 1st, they posted this. Aterian adds seasoned industry executive to its board of directors. And let me quote you the subtitle. Cynthia Williams brings significant technology and e-commerce expertise from Microsoft and Amazon. And this news was one of the catalysts for this asset and for the retail investors to add their position and to potentially short squeeze this stock. And let me show you right here. This asset is heavily shorted. As you can see, 31.86% is the short interest, and the off-exchange short volume ratio is more than 56%. Definitely this asset has a short squeeze potential, especially if you take a look on this data. It doesn't have any shares available for shorting, and this means this asset became a very good target for retail investors. And let me show you that on the watchers section on stocktweets.com website, this asset is on the 5th place. On most active section, it is on the 10th place. And let me show you that we don't have this asset on the trending section. This means this asset is slightly losing its momentum. And let me show you right here that on avisdom.io, Aterian is on the 5th place and it lost one row. And as you can see on this chart, this asset is losing its momentum. This means you have to be very cautious with any position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we hit this range of previous swing high and had a bounce. We broke it to the upside, and with the first attempt we had a very good bounce to the tick from this range, and with the second attempt we broke it, but then we didn't close any candle above this range and went below. So what should we expect next? For now, I have to say that you can simply pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom, from this swing low to this swing high. And these ranges of 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65 might be your accumulation point, and I have to say that this asset might continue its movement to the upside. But you have to be cautious, because the main catalyst for this company is the retail community. And if and when this support becomes lower, definitely this asset will continue to hover in the lower ranges. That's why I think you have to be very cautious with your position. But definitely, the short squeeze potential is still on the table, and that's why you might take a risk and enter your long position. And let me show you what are the targets. For now, I have to say that these yellow lines might be very good targets, because we have very good reaction from these ranges. And definitely, depending on your entry level, depending on your entry point, you might have up to 19% to this range, up to 67% to 5.45, up to 80% to $6 price point, and up to 143% to this range. And if we will break all these ranges, definitely this asset will have much more attention from retail community all over the world. And definitely if we'll break the range of about $8 mark, it might indicate that this asset could go even higher, and it might break even this previous swing high of $19.5. So I think from a technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm